Hi everybody, I haven't done a video in a while, but I wanted to get in one just so that you know I'm still in the land of the living. And this time we're going to talk about list comprehension in Python. So basically, list comprehension is just an easier way to create lists in Python, and it also leads to a lot of cool one-liners that are just a little bit more concise and perhaps more readable depending on your perspective and whatever coding you've done before. So here's an easier way to make a list. I could say for I in range of 0 to 50. And we'll just print that out. And so all this is doing is it's saying for I in range 0 to 50, 0 inclusive, 50 exclusive, put I and all, or call I, and all of this is going to go into a larger list as designated by the brackets. So I could call this something. I could call this 0 to 50. And we'll give that an assignment. And so now if we call 0 to 50, we should get the same thing. And good. So now, say that we want to do something with that list. Now in our old syntax, we would have done something like this. For I in 0 to 50. And then we would have done colon, print, well, we would start off with if, say we wanted to get all the odd indexed entries. We would say if I modulo 2 equals 1, then we would say print I. And that would give us all of our odd numbers from 0 to 50, so 1, 3, 5, and so on. But a much faster way to do this with list comprehension so that we don't have to waste all this space, because at the point that you're using list comprehension, you basically know how for loops work, you know how lists work. You could just do something like this. We would have to do open bracket. For I in 0 to 50, if this is the big key part that's gonna filter everything out. If I modulo 2 equals 1. And then we print it out, and you notice I just put them in the list this time. So basically the same thing. List comprehension is a great way to more concisely perform operations that you used to have to do with a lot of white space. And it looks cool. I mean, to me, I just think that it looks awesome to be able to do all this in one line of code. And you can now add conditions. And you can also apply this to, lists of words. And it's especially useful in things like NLTK, where you're trying to, get out certain elements from a big list of text. And yeah, so I hope you use this in your next list project. All right, guys, thanks for watching.